Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 109. The pipe has been ended, error broken pipe on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of system error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose restart. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major and minor issue of your system. So you must try this restart, reboot your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose settings. In settings page, from the left side of settings, click on privacy and security. Thereafter go to right side. Here choose Windows security. Here choose virus and threat protection, and a new Windows security page will open. Here click on the link scan options, and here you will find 4 options in which you will have to choose full scan, and finally click on scan now and let the window complete the scanning process. It will take more than 1 hour, so wait till 1 hour to full complete scanning your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here in command prompt windows, execute the command as shown on screen. These 3 DISM tool one by one, followed by enter key on each time. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these 3 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. Thereafter, execute the command sfc scan now, sfc/scan now, and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Beginning system scan, this process will take time, so wait till 100% verification complete. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your system error code 109 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command msconfig, msconfig. This command will open system configuration windows, clean boot your system. Click on services from the top menu bar and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services, and click on disable all from the bottom right corner. After that, again go to top menu bar and choose startup. Click on startup and here open the link, open task manager. Click on this link and all the startup apps in your system will visible here. Look for the any startup apps enabled in your system. Scroll down and found out. If any found, right click on it and choose disable. Manually disable all startup apps enabled in your system. Apply this process for all your enabled startup app. Thereafter, close the windows and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. Restart your system and check whether hopefully your error will be resolved.